back at the Moses Lake, and we're gonna give that a shot today just because of the way how the weather is. It is very windy, but we have this wall and we're down at this hill that will keep us, you know, within the boundaries of that wind. But you can see the water, it is moving pretty heavy. I hope you guys can actually hear me. But yeah, man, we're gonna try to fish over here, and I got a buddy of mine that's gonna be coming to enjoy this wonderful Saturday with me. But check it out, man, it looks good, man. Got a nice little overcast. Right now it is low tide. Around 4 o'clock is when high tide will arrive. So when it does, I'm hoping that the wind slows down a little bit, but also the fish start biting. So I just got here. Let's go ahead and get ourselves set up and put a paddle tail up on, and let's get at it. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna try to make it entertaining as much as I can. All right, and hopefully we can walk away with a fish and don't get skunked again. All right, guys. What up, brother? Done all right? Why are you empty-handed? For nothing. All you need is a fishing pole and your bait. This is what it look like. Just don't get home.
He said, don't.
You see, you like I had this camera up on me because you looking down at me right now, and the camera is eye to eye, so I don't look so bad.
Everybody know I'm taller than you.
Man, hey, man, don't put that on camera, man. You been doing all right, my brother? Oh, that's good. That's another one of my brothers, y'all. Erwin, man. He's coming out here to fish with me as well. All right, I'll wait for you to get suited up, bro. We cheating, y'all. We cheating. We have to cheat to get the fish. You know, I don't believe that just the lure by itself is gonna actually do it, but we have to do a little cheating and put a little shrimp cure up on it. All right, let's get it out there again. Because the last time I had put Procure up on here, I end up getting a little bite, but I end up missing it. Maybe it was something real little. All right, let's get it out there. Nice. Way to go. Way to go. Let's go. Let me get over there. That's way to go. Oh, they jumping. Oh, they jumping, baby. Ooh, please, come on, let's get hooked up on one. They jumping up out of the water. Come on, baby. Let's get back out there. Ugh, come on, come on, win. Those people over there caught a fish. They caught a big ugly. And then that boat over there caught a red. Okay, so let's check the bait. It's been out there for about an hour. See if we even still have a crab. Oh wow, I'm stuck. I think I'm stuck in the mud, I think. Yeah, I was never getting out of that. Never. We had a paddle tail on now. All right, so we're gonna start swinging. We're not gonna swing for the fences, but we're gonna throw it out there and see what we can come across. It is windy out here. Very windy. Oh, he's right there now. I hope you don't have him in the rocks. Let me see.
Big Dike.
Oh, now I got cleats on.
You got cleats in?
Yeah. Hey, hold on. Hey, grab this here.
You trying to save my life. Save my life.
You. What's your name? Raymond, come on this side over here. Bring him right here. I'm trying to get up there to that rock right there. He better not. I've been in the hospital for that, for exactly what you're doing. Why you think I bought these here? Oh. Yeah. All right. Come on, big ugly. Come on, big. Bro. He rubbed against the rock and his line broke. What size line you got on there? Oh, I knew why you was playing with him too long. Man. Nah. Well, I got him right here. Y'all see him, man. It just snapped right up on the rocks. It just snapped, all right? So, yeah. He's running 15 pounds, man. So I didn't think it was, I didn't think it was gonna hold. I see why he was playing with it for so long. Cause I was like, why is he playing with it so long? He gonna lose that fish. Oh, okay. Well, hey, that's the first one, guys. And this guy here, he caught it. I seen it. Man, catch another one. Yeah. Hey, it was a drum, a black drum. Yes, sir. Y'all take care. Good luck to you again. Bro, as soon as when I touched down, that line said click. I said, oh, really? I don't know what you sent them to, man, with 15 pounds up on there for.
Bro, I don't.
Heck no. Heck no.
Freshwater fish.
No, I do anything 20 and above. Right now I'm on 30. 30 on 20. Nope. Well, guys, I've been out here forever. No nibbles. No nothing. Out of the course of 8 hours, I only seen one guy catch. Well, he didn't even catch it. Well, he did catch it, but we wasn't able to bring it up. But that was the only thing I seen out of 8 hours, man. It's just been dead. Texas City Dike. It has failed me. It has failed me. I have tried shrimp, mullet, crab, artificial. I have tried an arsenal of everything, and it's just been windy, very choppy, mostly windy, and now it's starting to be foggy because you can barely see the chemical plants on the horizon over there. And of course, that sun is dipping, and the temperatures is starting to drop also as well. We'll probably stay out here for another couple of hours and hope that we end up getting on something. Something start running through here. Some red specks, anything. But right now, it is absolutely dead. I need something to change for myself and also the other anglers out here as well. We just need something to happen. So let's continue to keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully we can get on something before the day ends. And if we don't, it's another skunk.